Hello children, I am Sumati madam going to teach social study for standard 4 students. So children, take out the book, page number 48, lesson 7, the coastal plains and islands. See the map, the western sides and the eastern sides. So the entire southern plateau is surrounded by narrow coastal plains on the east and west side, on the eastern side and western sides. On the western side, in between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea, it is called Western Coastal Plain. On the east, in between Western Ghats and Bay of Bengal, it is called Eastern Coastal Plains. So, there are two coastal plains. One is Western Coastal Plains, another one Eastern Coastal Plains. These two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. The southernmost tip of the peninsula. There are many islands in Bay of Bengal, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island, and another island, that is Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. So in this chapter we will discuss about the states and the life of the states of the Western Coastal Plains and the Eastern Coastal Plains. Also about the islands, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. India has a extremely long coastlines which is transport large quantities of goods into and out of the countries. Ships are loaded and unloaded at ports. Some ports names are mentioned here. You see, all of you. On the western coast, Mumbai, Kandla, Kochi, Panaji. On the eastern coast, Kolkata, Puducherry and Chennai. So the long coastline also encourages fishing, which is an important occupation of the people living in coastal areas. Now we'll see the Western Coastal Plains divided into how many parts? 3 parts, that is Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, Malabar coast. So the Western Coastal Plain divided into 3 parts. Gujarat coast in the north, Konkan coast in the middle, Malabar coast in the south. The Eastern Coastal Plains divided into 2 parts, that is Northern Circus and the Coromandel coast. The states in the Western Coastal Plains are Gujarat in the north, and some other states are Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala. In the Eastern Coastal Plains, the states passes through, that they are West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The Eastern Coastal Plains are wider than the Western Coastal Plains. Remember and underline. Now we'll discuss about the islands. Already I told you 2 group of island. One is Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal. Another one Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. Andaman Nicobar Island, the 2 group. One is Andaman Islands, another one Nicobar Island. The northern island known as Andaman Island and the southern island known as Nicobar Island. They form a union territory of India. The southernmost part of the island is called Indira Point. I have already underlined, you also underline. Lakshadweep Island. These are a group of 30 islands. And these islands are made of deposit of the skeleton of an animal called coral. That's why these islands are called Coral Islands. They are close to Malabar coast. They also form a union territory. Now we'll see The life of the coastal plains, the states. Gujarat, the capital is Gandhinagar. You will see where I have underlined their language, Gujarati. The women wear dresses, saris, lehengas, and men, the traditional dress of the men of Gujarat, the chudidar, angaraksha. Well developed industries, that is petroleum, fertilizer, salt, diamond cutting industries, dairy farming, and handloom industries. And which are the crops grown in Gujarat, that is also mentioned. You all read. The largest city of Gujarat, that is Ahmedabad. Gandhiji's Sabarmati Ashram is there. Gir Forest, the home of Asiatic lions, is also there. And what is underlined, you all also underline the sentence, the words, red words. Next is Maharashtra. The Konkan coast run through Maharashtra. Mumbai, that is the capital. It is the biggest seaborne port in India. The seabed of the Konkan coast has large deposits of petroleum. The region is called Bombay High. Then Goa. To the south of Maharashtra is the small and beautiful state, that is Goa. Capital is Panaji. Goa is rich in iron ore. Mining is an important industry in the state. The main festival celebrated in Goa, that is Christmas. And every year tourists visit Goa because of its beautiful beaches and churches. Then Karnataka. In the last chapter, page 42, you read Karnataka. Mangalore is an important seaport. And as we go to south from Goa, we will come to Karnataka. And capital is Bangalore. Then we will see Kerala. In the extreme south of western coastal plains lie the beautiful state of Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram, earlier known as Trivandrum, is the capital of Kerala. Kochi is an important seaport of Kerala. Kerala produces large quantities of spices, coconut, cashew, coffee and rubber. Kerala people are very educated. Their main language is Malayalam. The men wear lungi, which is called mundu in Kerala, and shirt. The women wear mundu and blouse or saris. Next page, page 52. Did you know? Put tick mark. Onam and Vishu are important festivals of Kerala. The main attraction, that is boat race or snake boats, taken place during Onam. Kathakali is the traditional dance form of Kerala. Kerala has a number of beautiful beaches. Among them, Kovalam beach is very famous. Next is Lakshadweep Island. The capital of this union territory is Kavaratti. Most people here speak Malayalam. People use coconut fiber to make variety of products. It is a major industries. Fishing and tourism are other important industries, and the beautiful islands and beaches attract many tourists. Now we will discuss life in the eastern coastal plains. The first is Odisha, where we live. You all know about Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital. The delta formed by Mahanadi river is very fertile. The main crop grown in Odisha, that is rice. Handloom industries are also there. And main language is Odia. Odissi is the popular dance form. Lots of people turn up to see the Rath Yatra at Puri, the temple of Bhubaneswar, Puri and Konark, and the Chilika Lake with its bird sanctuary are the other tourist attraction. Andhra Pradesh, it is also there in the previous chapter 43 that we will read. I will show you. Andhra Pradesh. To the northeast of Karnataka is Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad, currently served with the joint capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Andhra Pradesh is one of the largest producers of rice, red chilies, tobacco. The river Krishna and Godavari flows through the state. The people of Andhra Pradesh speak Telugu. The men wear dhoti shirt. The women wear saris. Sankranti, Ugadi, Dasara, Eid, Christmas are the important festivals celebrated there. The famous dance form Kuchipudi is there in Andhra Pradesh. Venkateswara temple, Tirupati is visited by the lakhs of devotees every year. Next is Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, lies on the Coromandel coast. It is an important port. Marina Beach in the city is the longest beach in India. The delta formed by Kaveri river is very fertile. It is called the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. The Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. The Vivekananda Rock Memorial has been built on a small island near the coast called Vivekananda Rock. Then Andaman and Nicobar Island. The capital of this group of islands, that is Port Blair. Only a few of the islands are inhabited. Most of the people live in the forest in group of tribes. One famous jail, that is called Cellular Jail at Port Blair, was once used by the British to imprison Indian freedom fighter. It is now a national monument. Fishing is an important occupation of the people. Tourism is important industries because of the beautiful beaches. Coconut and rice are the main agricultural products. Puducherry. As we go south from Chennai, along the coast, we come to Union Territory of Puducherry. Previously it was known as Pondicherry. It is famous for the Aurobindo Ashram. At one time, it was ruled by the French. People of this area, they speak Tamil, English and French. So already I have finished the chapter. So the red words all you underline. I have not underlined all the words and the sentence. Please children, you underline. I now know 7 points are there. There you write down, fill in the blanks. Blanks. Name the following. Words to remember. Answer in one word. Now see, we'll discuss the exercises. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, the western and eastern coast of India meet at Kanyakumari. Number 2, lagoons are salt water lakes which get cut off from the sea. Number 3, Mumbai is the largest port of India. Number 4, Goa lies in the Konkan coast of western coastal plains. Number 5, Cellular Jail in Port Blair was used to jail Indian freedom fighters. Odissi is the famous dance of Odisha. Match the following. Konkan coast, western coastal plains. Coromandel coast, eastern coastal plains. Coral Island, Lakshadweep Island. Indira Point, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Vivekananda Rock Memorial, Tamil Nadu. Then multiple choice. Number 1, answer all of these. Number 2, Chennai. Number 3, Visakhapatnam. Number 4, that is Puducherry. Number 5, Mangalore. Number 6, Gujarat. So hope you all children have underlined or understood the lesson. Now I am going to discuss the question answer. The answer the following. Question number 1. What is the advantage of a long coastline? Answer, you see. The advantage of the long coastline are as follows. First point, it can use to transport large quantities of goods into and out of the country. And the second point, the long coastline also encourages fishing, which is an important occupation of the people living in coastal areas. Question number 2. Through which states do the western and eastern coastal plains pass? The western coastal plains passes through the states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. The eastern coastal plains passes through the states like West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Question number 3. Why are so many tourists attracted to Goa? Many tourists attracted to Goa because of its beautiful beaches and churches. Number 4. Why are the Lakshadweep Islands referred to as Coral Islands? Lakshadweep Islands referred to as Coral Islands because many of these islands are made of the deposits of the skeleton of an animal called coral. Number 5. How is it that so many people in Puducherry know French? Many people in Puducherry know French because at one time it was ruled by the French. Number 6. Question. Which is the southernmost tip of A. the Indian mainland, B. India? So you write the southernmost tip of A. the Indian mainland, then put one hyphen, write there Kanyakumari. B. India and put one hyphen, write there Indira Point. Number 7. Question. Name 2 important ports in each of the 2 coastal plains. 2 important ports in western coastal plains, hyphen, Mumbai, Kandla. Second, eastern coastal plains, hyphen, Kolkata, Chennai. Number 8 question. Name 4 major occupations of the people of the coastal plains are farming, trading, fishing and tourism. Number 9 question. Name 4 main industries of Gujarat are as textile, petroleum, fertilizer and dairy farming. Thank you children. I have already discussed the question answer. You all read the lesson, underline all the red words and write answer the following question and answer in the copy in good handwriting and complete the book work exercise, fill in the blanks, match the following and multiple choice. Thank you children.